Hey guys, have you ever wondered what happens when you get to 100,000 YouTube subscribers? If so, that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. We're gonna unbox our exciting mystery package from YouTube. But before we do that, I have really exciting news for all of you guys who are our subscribers, who we're very thankful for. And that is this Thanksgiving week, we are going to be launching the best SAT prep course ever on Monday, the 19th. We're gonna have cool Black Friday specials. It's gonna be super awesome. So keep your eyes peeled for more on that. We're gonna do a video next week. We're gonna give you a little preview into the course. We're also gonna be moving our ACT prep course, the best ACT prep course ever, to a new platform, which we're very excited about. So everything is getting better and better. If you're interested in the ACT course, you can head over right now to SupertutorTV.com. It's up and live. We've helped people increase their scores by an average of 5 points on the ACT. So check it out. So let's talk about what happens when you get to 100,000 subscribers. Well, first of all, you probably Google what happens because you're curious. And then you get to this page from YouTube that basically tells you about YouTube Creator Awards and find out that they're going to send you a plaque. But chances are they're not going to necessarily email you right away. On their site, they even say if it's been a week, like, give us a couple more weeks and then we'll email you. You're probably still under review. I'm gonna admit, we waited like 3 weeks, maybe even 4 weeks, and we never heard from YouTube, so we had to get in touch with YouTube. But after talking back and forth with them, they confirmed that our channel legitimately reached 100,000 subscribers, and then they give you a cool check mark next to your name. And that shows up like when people look at your videos, they'll see that little check mark next to your name, which is exciting. And then they give you a link to go sign up to have them ship you a plaque. And that's what is in this exciting black box, and we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. So, very exciting. I'm going to use a knife. I won't hurt anyone, I promise. So maybe myself. I've never done an unboxing video. I don't know in test prep, like what do you unbox? Describe it. It's black. Oh, you describe the box. Is that what you're supposed to do? Okay. My team is actually in the office right now. We don't usually do this because they want to see the plaque that we've all earned. So, okay, it's black and there's a piece of foam. We got a letter. That's really exciting. And we got a plaque. Presented to SupertutorTV for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. And it looks silver. And there's that. And then we got a letter. And it looks like it might be signed by the CEO of YouTube. What do you guys think of the signature? Print? Printed? Authentic? And then we got a card that says this was inspected by Rick. Oh, I had to take it out? So I guess I'll describe it a little bit more. This is a plaque. We'll take it out. It's kind of silvery. The silver, it's like a picture frame that no picture fits in. That's what I would describe it as, with like a funny mirror in the back and a little play button. And there's 2 holes in the back so you can hang it on the wall. And I think that's about all that's in here. That's it. I watched some earlier videos. Apparently they used to give people like gift certificates to B&H photo video or something like that, but it looks like that's not happening anymore. But we did get a really cool plaque. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. We'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. We're really thankful for all of you guys that do subscribe to our channel, and we will keep making content if you keep watching. So thank you guys. This is cool. And the other thing that I'm gonna say, one last thing today, I recently did a podcast with a woman named Joy Wade. She has a YouTube channel too. Thumbs up if you have ever watched a Joy Wade video. And that dropped today. So if you guys are like, where are my tips for the week? I give you guys some tips in that podcast. You can go ahead and take a listen. Again, SAT prep course dropping soon. Subscribe to our mailing list to hear all the details. SupertutorTV.com/subscribe. If you haven't already, follow us on Facebook. I do post things on Facebook sometimes. Twitter, another great place to follow us. Sometimes I post articles, sometimes we just post our videos, but try to keep in the loop on there. So plug in. We've got lots of places for you guys to plug in. And thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao for now.